Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Holden Barina CDX sedan, stock reference number 5167. This shape runs from the 11th month 2012 through to the 12th month 2018. It has an F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. F16D4 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left doors appear to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type, right tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 3 dents, right front door has 4 dents, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.